Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's of vital importance to anyone holding a visa. The reasons why your visa can be cancelled. Whether you are a student, worker, or traveler, this is an essential topic. The cancellation of your visa in Australia can have far-reaching consequences, potentially blocking you from submitting future visa applications. Moreover, it may result in your ineligibility for specific visas intended for travel, entry, or residence in the country. So, let's get started. Reason number 1. Character requirements and consequences. In Australia, visa cancellations or refusals based on character concerns can significantly affect future visa applications and immigration status. Authorities evaluate character based on various factors, including community protection, children's welfare, international obligations, family impact, and effects on Australian businesses and communities. These character assessments consider a range of elements guided by ministerial direction outlining the visa refusal or cancellation criteria. Reason number 2. Mandatory visa cancellation in Australia for criminal offences. Following Australian law, your visa will be automatically cancelled if you are serving a full-time prison sentence for an Australian crime and meet any of the following criteria. Sentenced to death, imprisonment for life, or imprisonment exceeding 1 year. Convicted of a sexually based crime against a child by an Australian or foreign court. Charged with a sexually based crime against a child, even if he discharged without conviction. And found guilty of a sexually based crime against a child, even if he discharged without conviction. Following the cancellation, you have a 28-day window to request the revocation of the decision. Revocation would reinstate your visa status, but it's crucial to be aware of the strict legal requirements in these circumstances. Reason number 3. Paying for sponsorship. Participating paying for visa sponsorship may lead to cancelling your visa in Australia. Authorities assess all circumstances surrounding the matter, taking into account factors such as your role in initiating or being complicit in paying for sponsorship, your intent, including whether you are acted as a whistleblower or actively providing information. However, there may be exceptions if your payments were a result of threats or exploitation, such as human trafficking or slavery. In such cases, it is crucial to provide comprehensive and relevant information. You will be given an opportunity to present reasons against the visa cancellation, including evidence demonstrating the following: your strong ties to Australia and your contributions to the Australian community. Understanding the implications and seeking legal counsel in these situations is advisable. Reason number 4. Visa cancellation for changes in study enrollment. Your student visa in Australia may be cancelled if you are no longer enrolled in a registered course. It is important to know that your enrollment is considered concluded when you finish your course, even if this occurs before the end date on your confirmation of enrollment. After completing your course, your next steps depend on specific enrollment arrangement. If you finish the course associated with your student visa, you typically have a 3-month window to depart Australia or apply for another visa. Visa cancellation may occur in these circumstances. You complete the course for which your student visa was granted, but do not leave Australia or apply for a new visa within 3 months. Also, you change courses after the grant of your student visa, and your new confirmation of enrollment for your primary course has an earlier end date. If you do not leave Australia or apply for a new visa within 28 days of course completion, your visa may be cancelled. And if you are studying multiple courses on your visa, course packaging, and you complete a course early with a gap of more than 2 months between courses, unless the gap is between academic years. Before visa cancellation, your situation will be considered. Factors include legitimate early course completion, a strong academic record, whether it is reasonable to expect you to enroll another course during the gap. Visa cancellation may also result from non-compliance with other student visa conditions, which can be verified through Visa Entitlement Verification Online. VEVO. Understanding and complying with these conditions is crucial to maintain your student visa status. Reason number 5. Visa cancellation due to biosecurity contraventions. In Australia, certain food, plant material, and animal items from overseas must be declared, as they can potentially introduce serious pests and diseases into the country. Such contraventions can devastate valuable agriculture, tourism industries, and the unique environment. The minister holds the authority to cancel some visitor, student, and work visas during immigration clearance if individuals fail to meet the requirements for disclosing information about goods on their incoming passenger card. Do not follow directions provided by a biosecurity officer concerning goods or baggage. Provide false or misleading information or documents to a biosecurity officer. To learn more about Australia's biosecurity laws, refer to the Department of Agriculture and Water Resources website. Understanding and comply with these regulations is essential to avoid visa cancellations and uphold biosecurity standards in the country. Reason number 6. Visa cancellation for importing offensive goods. Offensive goods encompass material that pertains to various matters, such as sex, drugs misuse or addiction, crime, cruelty, violence, or revolting or abhorrent phenomena, in a way that would offend a reasonable adult. Hopefully not, but in case your visa is refused or cancelled, I'm going to share with you how to appeal a visa refusal or cancellation in Australia. If your visa application is refused or your visa is cancelled, you may have the option to appeal the decision. However, please know that you cannot appeal a decision if the minister made it personally. The Administrative Appeals Tribunal, AAT, is an independent body responsible for conducting merits reviews of departmental decisions, including visa cancellations. Being aware of the strict time limit for filing an appeal is essential. You must submit a written appeal within the time frame specified in the department's decision notification letter. If you believe that the refusal or cancellation decision was not lawfully made, you also have the option to seek judicial review. In such cases, it may be advisable to seek assistance from a registered migration agent or seek independent legal advice to help with your immigration status. In conclusion, maintaining your visa status in Australia requires adherence to the rules and regulations set by the Department of Home Affairs. Always stay informed, abide by visa conditions, and seek help if you are in a challenging situation. Remember to follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you next video.